Hey guys, this is Heidi, this is Los Heidi, and today we're going to be around La Calera. I just want to show you what you guys can do here in a day. I mean, this video it's gonna have two parts. So for today I just want to show you around what is to be here in the town, what kind of view you get from here, and I don't know, just want to show you a little bit. This is one of the buildings. You can see some horses in there. I can hear them. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go grab lunch, walk around the town, and just tell you what kind of activities and what kind of things you can do in here. So stay tuned. So guys, I want to show you a little bit what the neighborhood looks like. So as you can see, this is very local place. The difference between Bogotá and La Calera is that in here you're not gonna see like huge buildings. You can see, I mean, the houses that they have maybe, I mean, the biggest, they have like 3 floors. And the funny part is that many people that live here, they are also going to Bogotá. So it's not so far, it's actually 40 minutes. And as the city is so crowded, and in my case, I just decided to come here because it was more chill, it was different ambience. You can see a lot of green around, and you can also get to, you know, just to live in a quiet neighborhood, and I was looking for that. So I want to show you what La Calera looks like. You can see very local houses. It's a small town, and you get everything you need. So you get places to, you know, just play basketball. You get some cute restaurants like you're gonna see after. And yeah, just let me show you more, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey guys, okay, so I just arrived to the place where I'm about to have my lunch. Now I want to show you something. Like, this town is not a huge town. It's like, I don't think there is even 1 million of people here. But the funny fact is that there is a lot of like, you know, like entrepreneurships or like business here. So they made it out of, like, for example, in houses. So I'm about to have like my lunch, which is this place. I'm gonna show you what I'm about to eat. So I think for this lunch that here I'm about to pay, I'll be paying like, that's 11,000 pesos, which is more or less, I'll say like less than $3, and it's really good. ¿Qué cosa? 5 minutos. So as you guys can see, like for us, or at least in Colombia, like the lunch has 2 parts. So we always had a soup, and we always have like a protein, a carbohydrate, in this case with a lot of rice, and you always have a huge piece of meat. So it doesn't matter if you have meat, just imagine chicken, fish, or whatever you want. And since we are a very productive country in having fruits, so you guys can see that we always have a delicious juice. This one is guayaba or guava for some. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Okay guys, so I just finished my lunch, which costed like 11,000 pesos, and that's more or less like, I don't know, like $3, $4, maybe less, like, but that's the cost. So it's very cheap. As you can see, like here you can find everything, like, I don't know, hairdressers. As I say, this is a small town, so just don't expect everything to be open every day, because they don't have yeah, I mean, there is a lot of people coming here for the weekends, but it's more tourists, so I don't think they do have. So look, this is what I want to show you. And in here you get whatever you need. You know, it's pretty close to Bogotá. It's like 40 minutes. Here you can go for some horse riding. You can go for some horse riding. You can also do like outside activities, and it's because around here there are some lakes. So you can see there are some people here in the town. You can see a lot of, you can see a lot of movement here. But I want to show you this is a small town actually. So there is like in the town because you know there are like some villages that are kind of close from here, and I'm not sure because I have never been there, but there is more people living in there and just working on the land, so growing, I don't know, potatoes or things like that. Yeah, let me show you. So we're walking to the city town, to the city center, and we're going to find always the church, always the mayor, always some business like bakeries, supermarkets, but there are also some really good restaurants. Like I really recommend La Gloria, it's a pizzeria. There is also El Gordo, that is also another pizzeria. So I'm gonna be posting some pictures because I've been there a couple of times, and yeah, so far that's what I wanted to show. So we just arrived to the place and give you like the whole perspective of what this town looks like. Okay guys, so finally I arrived to a place. So if you can see, actually this is the entrance. There's the main avenue that is leading or going to Bogotá, so from La Calera, Bogotá, and also you can go La Calera, Sopo, La Calera, Gachancipa, and yeah, other places. Let me show you this. So you're gonna see like this architecture like here that is very colonial, and I have to excuse today myself because I don't know why my English sounds more like Spanish, but well, what can I do? Well, I do speak Spanish. So look this. So this is really colonial building. I'm not sure what is in there, so let's just go there and check the place. I think this is the mayor, from what I understand. You can see a really nice building, and in here yeah, this is the mayor, Casa Municipal. So you can see, I think now it's not really well treated from outside, at least the facade, but I want to show you this. Wait a second. If you can see in the middle of the houses, we always have something like that. Hola, ¿puedo hacer acá un video? ¿Puedo hacer un video de este pedacito?
No señora, es propio, la calle es propio.
Ah, okay. Gracias. Okay, so I want to make a video, but they just didn't allow me. Say it's forbidden, but I don't think so. Anyway, okay guys, so you're gonna find these places, and in here you can get like, here there is a pizzeria, it's called El Gordo. Look at this, that's the church. I'm going to be walking through the park. So look at this. So this is the park. Normally they make a lot of activities in here, like they have some festivals and there's people playing. On the weekends they have like the farmer market. So there's a lot of farmers that are selling their stuff. That is. So there's a lot of farmers that are selling their stuff and things like that. So guys, look, this is the church. Actually it's not open right now, but for the weekends, like this whole place in these parts is full with people selling their stuff. So they're coming from the different villages or even here from the city, and what they do just to sell, you know, food, desserts, I don't know, if you want to grab lunch here you can do it, and it's really affordable price. So as I say, I just had my lunch for $3-4. So actually you're supporting the people from the community. Look, this is the other place, which is very cool, and I highly recommend it. Maybe once I'm gonna do here like a video from the place, and it's called La Gloria. La Gloria is a pizzeria. They used to do like the pizza very traditional. It's not like they try to, you know, replicate the Italian pizza. Guys, what can I recommend? So you can just come here. This is the part one. Actually I want to do outdoor activities, but I'm not doing that today, so soon I will do it. And yeah, let me show you something that it's kind of cool. But from here, and I think I say that on a video before, and it's that you can go to Parque Chingasa. In Parque Chingasa, it's not far from here. It's around 30 kilometers. So yeah, I think if you want to go here, you can come, ask to the mayor what do you need, what is the entrance fee, and all this kind of information. So just don't miss it. I highly recommend it. It's a really nice place. It's one of the national parks that we have on the area, like on the department, so you can absolutely go. For now, I'm just gonna go grab a coffee, so don't forget, I recommend this place. It's called La Gloria. They sell really good pizzeria. Sorry, they sell really good pizza in there. And yeah, as you can see, it's a really small town. I think this is the most important part. You can see it from here. And yeah, just come with me and let's go and grab a coffee. Okay. So this is the coffee place. In here we're just about to get some cookies and coffee. And here you can come. Chill, ¿sí? Chill for a weekend. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Quieren una torta? No. No. Yeah, so we're pretty full, so I'm just about to have coffee. No more than coffee because... But let me just... Salud. Look, this is something very, very typical here, which is arequipe. I don't know if you guys know that. This is really sweet. And you mix it with cheese. So, with this kind of cheese here, that is in there, you can eat arequipe with queso. That is the way we call it in Spanish. But look, you have different kind of pastry here, which is very tasty. But we're on diet, so we're not gonna try nothing today, just to grab a coffee. And yeah, this is what you can get in here, guys. So let me just grab the coffee, and yeah, for today this is all. So just don't forget, go and subscribe to my channel. Please, 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 just give it a like to this video and let me know if you want to see a second part of what to do here in La Calera and what kind of outdoor activities we can do in here. Bye.